Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get a blank home screen on your iPhone or how to get an empty home screen on your iPhone just like this. So that when you unlock your iPhone, you're gonna see an empty home screen instead of having an app screen on your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and press the home screen just like this. Then swipe right, keep swiping. And here, click on edit at top right, click on add a widget. Then we're going to go ahead and add any widget to the screen. So just add any random widget to the screen. Now once you add random widget to the screen, go ahead, click on edit again, then select edit pages. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to drag where you have the widget on as the first page on your iPhone screen. Then go ahead and click on done at top right. Then here you should see this page. Then again, press and hold the home screen and then remove this widget. So you can just go ahead, remove this particular widget from your iPhone home screen to have an empty home screen or have a blank home screen. After that, click on done. And there you're good to go. Then you can now see we now have a blank or empty home screen on our iPhone. So that is basically how to have a blank or empty home screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.